Hey guys, viewers, look at this 2x2. This was mine, but it was from the last video I showed you it did. Kuya-san's Rubik's Cube are the 4x4 and the 3x3. I'll ask Kuya-san to solve the Rubik's Cube. Kuya-san, can you please solve my Rubik's Cube and your Rubik's Cubes? Okay. This is Rubik's Cube lingo of a day with Scott.
Okay.
I can also use.
Show when you finished. Okay.
Turn on an fan.
See that? Kuya Simon did it.
Here. Ta-da!
So what will you say to your Kuya Simon?
Kuya Simon is good solver in the world. He can
No,
solve
not the
3x3
world.
or the
Just in
4
this house.
in his only way. And also this is my 2x2. And look, I'll solve it for you.
Fake.
It's not fake.
Yes, it is.
No,
You're doing 2 moves only.
Why?
Like this.
You're done.
You're
Well
only-
done.
You're only like this, okay?
Good job,
You did this.
Scotty.
That's too fast.
But that's what you're doing.
It's giving
That's
me
what you just did.
Okay, what would you tell the kids?
Kids, you have to click the like button in all of my videos. Give it a thumbs up and please like and subscribe.
You want them to
Bye-bye.
learn. You want
But
them
you
to
can-
learn how to play that Rubik, how to do that
I
Rubik's.
have lots and lots of toys. Well, some of other toys are not mine, but I can borrow them. Like the mechanical, I can play with it, but it's not mine. It's Kuya Simon's, Ata's, and Kuya Stephen's. Oh, I just farted. So I heard some weird sounds at this part. But
Marami
in the
tayong
morning,
i-edit dito.
I just saw a slugworm, earthworm.